Hey peeps, this is Conrad Layn here. I just want to go a bit in detail on a quick lane, quick tip that I have spoken to quite a few Turo hosts and see that there's something terribly going wrong. Maybe people aren't reading their contracts, but this is a great way to get your insurance claim possibly denied, and also a way that you probably will be cited, can even probably get your vehicle towed and have to pay impound fees. So let's just go ahead and avoid that. Let me show you something that's often missed. Incident information card. Let's settle in. Incident information card. If that sounds foreign to you, then that's the problem. If you know what that is and it's not inside your car, that's a problem. If it's in your card and you follow the rules, you're fine. So let's get right into it. So incident information card. What it is essentially is it's what stipulates and states what your guest at hand has access to your vehicle. So if they're pulled over by CPD, some type of police officer or police department, if the car is impounded for some type of reason, if for whatever reason is needed, that's the proof that they have access to the vehicle. You can cause them a lot of issues where if that car is not inside the vehicle, they might get arrested, car might be impounded, you have to pay the tow fees because it wasn't in there. You just want to do your part. Make sure that card's inside or printout is inside the card. There's no excuses, people. Turo specifically says it's actually required by them. In some states, California, my state, also requires it by law, but a lot of other states do require it by law too. And there's a few that don't require it by law, but Turo actually requires it. So just follow the rules, have the incident report and the incident information Turo card there that shows the guest's name, information, that they have access to the vehicle, who you are, that you're giving them access. Makes things a lot easier. You don't want your car impounded for something like this. So please do this. Turo sends it to us Turo hosts once per year. So you keep it, it's in your email, and you just print it out and give it to your guest. Keep it in the car, and hey, I get it. Maybe guests keep taking it, or maybe it's missing all the time. Then fine, keep doing your part, but do this then. At least do this then. And since you have an email anyway, upload it to your photos and have your guest print it then. Do that and put it in the car. That's a workaround too. Or whatever. Just make sure it's inside the car, but leave it in the car yourself. If they take it out or if they lie and say it's not there, hey, document it, put it on Turo Trip Photos, send a message saying, hey, I gave you this card. That's it. That's how you guard yourself and protect yourself, because sometimes a guest might say, hey, I never got it. And the car gets impounded and you have to pay. But if you could prove, hey, no, I added it to the Turo Trip Photos, there's no denying that. So, I mean, just make sure you upload it at all times to Turo Trip Photos, so that you can actually be protected. So if something happens where the car's like seized from them for some reason, due to some type of activity, if it's taken, like when my car was stolen from the US Border Patrol, it shows that they have access, but it shows that, hey, if we're gonna give this person a ticket, we'll at least not give the owner a ticket. It does a lot to help you. You don't want your car impounded. You don't want to get tickets you don't deserve. Just keep it in the car, people. I'm gonna leave links below on how to actually print it for free. If you're a tour host, you should already have it sent to you in your email. If you can't find it, follow the link below. I'm gonna leave that there. I'm also gonna leave definitions on declination of insurance, meaning that when the guest declines insurance, what to do and what is about and what it stipulates. Basically, what the protocol is when someone doesn't have insurance and they deny the Turo insurance. A lot of guests do deny the Turo insurance. It also goes in detail on the different levels of protection on the guest side. I left that link below as well. And I also left the Department of Insurance for California, my state, California, for those that are tour hosts in California or inquiring about becoming tour hosts in California. So that if you have any questions in regards to insurance, you should ask your insurance agent. If they're specialized, make sure you're a commercial insurance agent. I am insurance licensed and I have years of experience, over 8 years of experience on the commercial side of insurance, but I am not your insurance agent. I'm not giving you any advice. I am licensed, but I'm not giving you advice. You're not my client. I'm just giving you a free perspective. It's up to you. Do your own due diligence, and you can contact your Department of Insurance in your state simply by going to Google, www.google, type in your state name and Department of Insurance. Every state has one, so do that and then contact them, call them, email them, go to the webpage, check the FAQs, the frequently asked questions, and see if you have any questions in regards to Turo insurance or commercial insurance or rideshare insurance, and ask your questions and make sure you follow the law. That's about it, people. So, guys, have a good day. Conrad Layn out. Peace.